Hi guys, this is Apar Shakti Khurana and today on Gulf Ultra Synth on a smooth drive, I have with me एक बहुत कमाल की एक्ट्रेस है यार. उन्होंने प्रूव कर दिया that talent, hard work and dedication के साथ you can rule the world. At least ये मुंबई वाला world, Bollywood वाला world and that too without a godfather. देखो गाड़ी तो वैसे मैं चलाने वाला हूँ, लेकिन अगर ये इंसान गाड़ी चला रही होती तो हमारा एक्सीलेटर कहता कि प्रीत की लत मुझे ऐसी लगी. On that note, let's welcome Rakul Preet Singh. जोक मेरा स्मूथ था ना, ड्राइव भी स्मूथ होने वाली है. Let's go. Okay guys, not only this is going to be a smooth journey, this is going to be a cool journey as well because Rakul के तो नाम में ही cool आता है guys. So I'm all set to take in that vibrant, positive, chirpy energy from Rakul Preet. All right Rakul, you're here on a smooth drive.
Yes, and I'm actually here to make your drive even more smoother.
Absolutely looking forward यार. And दे दे प्यार दे की अपार सफलता के बाद दे दे कार दे में आके कैसा लग रहा है?
अरे अपार की कार में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
यार Rakul, tell me something. Being born and brought up in a Punjabi family,
Yes.
वो भी पापा आपके आर्मी में हैं. You know,
Correct.
इतनी ज्यादा मतलब वहाँ पे पंजाबियत वाली चीजें होती होंगी. वो नॉर्थ इंडियन कैसे बाहर निकाला? Because you really made it big in Telugu and Tamil films. How did you know, ये language barrier कैसे cross किया? There's so many things यार.
Yeah. I don't know, yeah, Apar. Actually, I feel that I guess I was destined to do that. मेरी कोई एक कॉन्शियस चॉइस नहीं थी कि मुझे साउथ इंडियन इंडस्ट्री में काम करना है. इनफैक्ट द स्ट्रेंज पार्ट इज दैट आई हैड नो आइडिया दैट देयर वाज अ साउथ इंडियन इंडस्ट्री. बीइंग फ्रॉम द आर्मी फैमिली, आई नेवर ग्रू अप ऑन अ डोज ऑफ फिल्म्स. When I started modeling at the age of 18, within a month of my pictures being circulated, I got a call for a Kannada film, and I was doing, I was in college at that point. And I said no. I said, I'm not going to work in the South as if I have some godfather sitting here. And I had no idea. I was a very naive child and who had no idea about the film work, right? And then they called my dad and they said that we've seen her date of birth and she's going to be a big star one day.
Oh.
And we want to be the one who launch her.
Wow.
And trust me, Apar, I used to not believe. All of 18, you don't believe in pundits and all at that point. You have no idea about life.
You just out of school, college, and you
just
worried about your studies and education.
Education, and you're just very young at heart at that point.
क्या date of birth है Rakul?
Wikipedia पे check कर लो. हाँ, Google it.
उसमें तुम्हारी एज 5 साल छोटी लिखी हुई है.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं लिखी हुई.
लगती Rakul 7 साल छोटी है.
I wish ये कैसे करना होता है मुझे आज तक समझ नहीं आया. But anyways,
जो मैं तुम्हारी वर्कआउट वीडियोस देख रहा हूँ, वो जो तुम कर रही हो वो सही कर रही हो. I think that's making you younger by the minute. Rakul.
I say, oh my God, Apar.
I just answer, by the way, guys.
Let me answer my question first.
Yeah, sorry.
Tell me what happened?
I was just before we started the show, I was just telling her, मैं कह यार तुम्हारा भाई बड़ा है कि छोटा है? जबकि वो इससे 2-3 साल छोटा है. कितने
2 साल 2.5
साल छोटा है. I was like, तुम इतना वर्कआउट करते हो, पता नहीं चल रहा है कौन छोटा है कौन बड़ा है अब. So yeah.
हाँ, वो तो चलो, that's a good thing.
That's a good thing.
That's a good thing.
So yeah,
but anyway, so then they asked for my date of birth,
yeah.
and I thought, okay. So then they convinced my dad, and my dad told me, he said it's your call. So I decided to do that film purely for money.
Oh.
I thought I
thought you'll say purely for
no. I didn't have passion and all at that time.
Okay.
See, I didn't know.
Yeah.
Right?
I was too
young.
In any case, to understand.
I just got, and I was a very tomboyish girl. I was playing golf in my high school. I was playing nationals, and I wanted to do my brand management. I knew that I wanted to model and then maybe go for Miss India. So, yeah, as an outsider, what do you know that little bit? Yeah, I'll go for Miss India. That'll be my platform, and then I'll do this and that. Yeah. So then they offered me money. They offered me 5 lakhs, and at that time my pocket money was 2,000 rupees a month. So I thought this is insane, and I'm going to be the first one in my friends to get a car.
Oh.
Okay, and that's the reason I did the film. And while I was shooting for it, I was in my first year, right after 12th, and I fell in love with the process. And I crammed up my dialogues just like I would cram up history. Just like social science in school, I was a good ratto.
Was it a different language?
सी मैं बहुत अच्छी रट्टा मार लेती थी
Okay.
बहुत ही अच्छा रट्टा मार लेती थी सो या मेरे 100 on 100 आए थे
रट्टू तोता कहते थे हमारे
रट्टू तोता मैं बहुत अच्छी थी मेरे सोशल साइंस में 100 on 100 आए थे
What are you saying?
in 10th boards.
Oh wow.
So I'm just telling you how much of a good rattu tota I was. So I would just cram it up, understand what it means, and just deliver. That time you don't know anything
But
else.
now you know the language.
Now I speak Telugu as fluently, but this was
Oh,
Kannada.
what is that? Okay.
And I didn't know the difference at that point. But then what happened is I fell short of attendance in college, and I was in Jesus and Mary, which was a sister-run college. So I decided that I loved the process,
I must
but
say
I'll
मैंने
finish.
GMC की काफी गेड़ियां मारी हैं.
अरे
I must
of
confess.
course. शक्ल में लिखा है तुम्हारी.
Guys, हना लगता हो ना आंखों
लग
से
गई
ही कभी ना.
एकदम
What do I do?
मतलब टपक रहा है.
I'm the young one in the house, sir. I have to be a
I don't
brat.
know if I can say that लार टपक रही है.
Oh
जो
God,
वो
नहीं यार,
नहीं बोल
ऐसा
सकते ना
नहीं.
इसको एडिट
ऐसा
कर देना
नहीं.
फिर.
लेकिन ऐसा है भी नहीं.
तब तो टपकती होगी.
हाँ. Yeah, when you're in college, what else do you do? You know.
Yeah.
So I used to come to Delhi and spend time with my cousin who was in Stephens, and he was like, अच्छा सुन, यहाँ North Campus की गेड़ी हो गई, अब हम ना JMC चलते हैं.
JMC, I know that used to be the
Then
thing.
his, one of his friends used to be at JMC, one of his friends used to be at LSR. I was like, okay, chalo, let's go then. So my Masi's
No
son,
wonder he was your best friend.
yeah, he was a favorite cousin. Okay, so yeah, I mean, coming from that college,
So that's
attendance
it.
ki problem.
Attendance ki problem.
How
and
did the
then-
teachers take it?
So they were obviously very strict and they said,
Yeah.
Rakul, there's a certain way. I said, I'm going to, and I was a multitasker from that age. So I said, and I was full-time modeling, not part-time. So I used to do like half day of college and half day of shoots and things like that. And I decided I want to act, but let me finish my studies and then get to acting because I was again a very balanced kid. Thankfully that's the universe's grace, because I always felt that I needed to have a backup. What if
Absolutely.
it didn't work, right?
Absolutely.
I could always pursue my masters later. So I
Yeah.
finished my graduation.
Yeah.
In my final year I went for Miss India.
So guys, with her first salary, she bought a car. उसी कार में अभी तक बैठे हैं. उसने मुझे गिफ्ट कर दी थी उसके बाद. इतनी बड़ी कार खरीदी उसके बाद अभी तक हम बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबली चल रहे हैं.
नहीं, मैंने बोला था कि मैं अभी नाम नहीं लेना चाहती, पर मैंने छोटी गाड़ी खरीदी थी. बस गाड़ी खरीदी थी.
ये बड़ा होना चाहिए यार. क्या
हाँ.
गाड़ी छोटी बड़ी whatever.
Correct.
इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता
वो
है?
घर में पड़ी है, ले लो.
अच्छा ऐसा क्या? प्लीज दे दो यार रकुल मुझे.
कोई खरीद नहीं रहा.
कोई खरीद नहीं रहा. तुमने एक्चुअली ना उसकी प्रॉपर ऑयलिंग नहीं की होगी. ध्यान नहीं रखा होगा तुमने.
It's not smooth.
It's not smooth enough, right? इसलिए नहीं खरीद रहा है कोई. I really want to know, after knowing your journey, what was that ultrasound breakthrough moment? जो maybe which was the turning point of your life, or maybe कोई ऐसा process जो आपको लगा यार this really worked for me.
There's never one thing apart that works for you. It's an everyday growth. It's an everyday experience. Every film, whether it's worked, whether it's not worked, what it teaches you. And this might sound like a very deep answer, spiritual answer, but the point is that's how life is.
Yeah.
It's never one thing. 3 hits, 1 flop. That flop may teach you way more than the hits teach you.
Absolutely.
So it's a lot of things and a culmination of a lot of things. But if I have to still put it,
Yeah.
I would say the love that I got from Telugu audiences, like I was mentioning earlier,
Yeah.
I started doing that and I
Yeah.
thought when I get a call from Hindi, I'll go. I didn't know you have to be in Bombay to do that. वो मुझे पता ही नहीं था. And then I feel because people here in Hindi don't know the body of work I did there, but there were a bunch of films which were good milestones in my career in terms of the way they performed in Telugu. And I think in Hindi it was De De Pyar De, which sort
I
of...
love that film. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I can't be thankful to the makers.
And I've said that to you way too many times, about that
yes.
film.
I love, and not with that it's my film, but I think I love the thought that film had, right?
Absolutely.
It was a very progressive thought.
यार गाइस जैसे बच्चन साहब कहते हैं कि जहाँ से हम खड़े हो जाएं वहाँ से लाइन शुरू होती है, तो रकुल के जो फैंस हैं ना वो लाइन लगाए खड़े तो हो गए, उसका लाइन बढ़ती गई खत्म नहीं हो रही है लाइन. बट वन ऑफ द लकी फैंस टुडे इज गोना गेट अ चांस टू टॉक टू यू.
Oh, wow.
एक मैसेज भेजा है फैन. डैशबोर्ड खोलो लेफ्ट साइड पे एंड टैब निकालो एंड उदय वांट्स टू से समथिंग टू यू.
Oh, wow.
Are you ready for that one lucky fan of yours?
Yes.
Let's go guys.
Hello Rakul ma'am, I am a big fan and I just wanted to say कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा brave हो because मैंने 10th में मैथ्स छोड़ दी थी और आपने मैथमेटिक्स में ऑनर्स किया है.
What?
वो कैसे?
अरे
Dude, really? Is that true?
यस, गलतियां सबसे हो जाती है। ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस सबको हो जाता है कभी-कभी
ओह
लाइफ
गॉड, ये
में।
नन्ही आंखें और मैथमेटिक्स।
अरे, so
how?
because I loved maths in
Okay,
high school
okay.
and I always knew कि मुझे modeling करनी है और I wanted to prepare for my MBA also and I thought ठीक है because I like math it will be easier for me. Playing with numbers and all, you see.
Playing with numbers.
I thought let's learn the number game.
Oh,
and
God.
then I started working and actually I didn't know that maths would be a lot of theory also.
Yeah.
Besides all the practical
Yeah,
maths
yeah.
that we were used to studying.
Yeah.
वो कॉलेज में आके पता चला और फिर बैंड बजी.
God,
But then
yeah.
nevertheless I think it was great.
But I don't know
बोलने
many
में
people
बहुत
around.
अच्छा लगता
I
है.
don't know many people around.
But can I tell you one
हाँ.
thing? The only maths that I use in my life is counting calories. इसके इतने macros हैं. This much has this much calories, so this much protein,
And
so this much carbs. That's
थोड़ा
the
सा
only thing.
इस्तेमाल I'm sure in counting the bank balance भी आ जाता है.
काश वो भी मेरे डैड करते हैं.
Oh, really? How sweet. Okay, uncle does that for you, but उदय को थैंक्स बोल देते हैं फिलहाल.
Yes.
For letting your fans know यार कि यार तुमने इतनी पढ़ाई लिखाई करने के बाद यहाँ पे सब कुछ किया है. I mean, it's
And I think
commendable.
it's
yeah,
very, very
commendable.
important. Yeah,
Absolutely.
apart,
You need to finish your
you
education
need to,
and yeah.
And maybe that maths is not helping me in my career choice
But
today.
discipline.
But discipline,
Yeah.
but my entire outlook to life.
Absolutely.
The more practical that you become, you start using your mental faculties a little more.
Absolutely.
And I feel it's very important.
Same thing my father told Ayush Bhaiya before, shifting to Mumbai. Complete your mass communication, then go. Same thing he told me before I joined a radio station. I was studying law. He was like, complete your degree, then join a radio station.
Can I tell you
So,
something? It was the reverse. In my first year, my dad said, if this is what you want to do,
Yeah.
you can shift to correspondence.
Yeah.
And I said, no, I want to finish my studies and then go because I always knew one thing apart. I didn't know what I was going to do, but I didn't want to be a struggler. That's the only thing I used to say ever since I was a kid. मुझे नहीं पता क्या करना है पर मैं जो करूँगी अच्छा करूँगी. So I wanted a backup.
So Uday, thank you so much, brother, for sending in this message. And through you, सारे fans को पता लग गया है कि गणित इतना ज़्यादा छुपा हुआ है इनके अंदर. We're really happy to know this side of yours. And moving on to our next segment. रोड ट्रिप पे इंसान अपने साथ बोर्ड गेम्स लेकर जाता है और कुछ ना कुछ तो साथ में होता है. बट ऑफ कोर्स वी कांट प्लेस अ बोर्ड हियर, है ना. लेकिन आपको बोर्ड नहीं होने देना है हमने. सो वी हैव अ क्विक गेम हियर फॉर द रोड ट्रिप. बिकॉज़ यू नो तेलुगु सो वेल, हमें लगा क्यों नहीं मैं एक हिंदी डायलॉग देता हूँ आपको, आप उसको तेलुगु में कन्वर्ट करके बता दो.
Oh God.
You are a Punjaban.
Yes.
Then convert another dialogue into Punjabi.
Okay.
ठीक है, so let's do this.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay, dialogue number 1. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम, अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम.
Okay.
Yeah.
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम will be नीक चूसी नाक तेल सिंदरा. Okay.
Nick Chusi,
नाक तेल सिंदरा.
Naktel Sindra,
प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम. प्रेम अंटे दीवाना. आई डोंट नो दीवाना तेलुगु. ओके.
दीवाना और खुराना तेलुगु में सेम.
तेलुगु में भी सेम होता है, जैसे कुछ वर्ड्स होते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाएं हम. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎక్కడ వెళ్తాను నేను.
Sorry, ఎప్పటి నుంచి
ఇప్పుడు
ఎప్పుడు
अब ఇక్కడ నుంచి
ఇక్కడ నుంచి यहाँ से
कहाँ ఎక్కడ जाएं हम. వెళ్ళాలి నేను.
एलएल नेनु.
कभी
तेरी बाहों
किसी
में
को
मर जाए
तेलुगु में मत बोलना. by the way. तेरी बाहों में मर जाए
वो मेरी
हम.
बाहों में कभी नहीं मरेगी, है ना. कभी.
नी चेत तो हाथ होते हैं, वो तो हाथों से मर जाओ लगा.
मर्डर हो गया भाई.
ये तो अलग हो
Murder
गया.
ये.
नी बाहों लो चचिपोता नेनो.
बाहों चलते पता नहीं ना.
बाहों बोल दिया वो.
बाहों बोल
ठीक है,
दिया,
बट
okay.
99% तेलुगु थी.
क्या बात है.
But let me tell you, मैं एक सॉरी बोल दूं to all my lovely Telugu audience because this is a literal translation of Hindi to Telugu. तो ये बहुत
That's okay
गलत हो
guys,
सकती
किसी ने
है,
दिल
तो
पे
बुरा
लेना
मत
है,
मानना, please.
किसी ने दिल पे लेना है. रकुल ने बड़े ही प्यार मोहब्बत से गुड
प्यार.
फ्लो बोला है,
बहुत.
है ना. बहुत प्यार
నేను మీ
मोहब्बत
అందరిని చాలా ప్రేమిస్తున్నాను.
से. ये क्या बोला तुमने, मेरे अंदर तुम्हारे बहुत प्यार है.
हाँ.
मैं सीख रहा हूँ, मैं सीख रहा हूँ.
स्मूथ.
very very smooth. मैंने अपनी लैंग्वेज की भी ऑयलिंग कर ली है. Okay, on that note, I have my next dialogue for you.
Okay.
ये आपने पंजाबी में बोल के दिखाना है. मैं यहाँ कभी नहीं आऊँगा. जब पारो की याद आएगी आऊँगा. जब खुद को अकेला पाऊँगा आऊँगा. शाहरुख सर का देवदास का डायलॉग.
देवदास का डायलॉग. सो मैं ਇੱਥੇ ਕਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਵਾਂਗਾ
कदे नहीं आवांगा
ਕਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਵਾਂਗਾ ਜਦ ਜਦ ਪਾਰੋ ਦੀ ਯਾਦ ਆਵੇਗੀ ਆਵਾਂਗਾ
मैं आने जाना है
ਆਵਾਂਗਾ ਜਦ ਜਦ खुद ਨੂੰ ਕੱਲਾ ਪਾਵਾਂਗਾ ਆਵਾਂਗਾ
क्या बात है यार यार एक बात बताओ इतनी सारी लैंग्वेजेस को मास्टर करना है यार दिस इज अ टफ वन यार
I just have brains
मैं बहुत ज्यादा cool हूँ
you see maths honors
You're
and
cool.
multi-language and yeah.
That's true, man. So, on that note, our journey comes to an end. Thank you so much for being on a smooth drive, and this could not have been better. इससे smooth नहीं हो सकती थी.
बिल्कुल
You made it smooth, actually.
Oh, thank you, Apar. I had so much fun. Oh, wow.
Note, here you go.
Wow.
This is for you, बाबू.
Wow.
जो आप कैलोरीज काउंट करते रहते हो, उन्हीं को बढ़ाने के लिए ये सब
ये
कुछ.
तो हेल्दी सामान है.
Yes, absolutely. But I mean,
I love
calorie
it.
count संभाल के रखा है हमने.
I love it.
Yeah. And this one is for you.
Woo.
Small little thing.
That's lovely.
जो कार आपके पास घर पे बहुत सारी खड़ी है उसके साथ एक और ये खड़ी कर दीजिए. This is gonna look really cool.
Ah, this is amazing. Thank you.
हाईवे में एक और गाड़ी जुड़ चुकी है रकुल के.
ये गाड़ी.
ये गाड़ी. So Rakul, thank you so much, बाबू.
Thank you
See you
so
around.
much. Thank you.
चलिए तो फिर जाते जाते खुराना के खजाने से आपको दे रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा ज्ञान. देना इस पे ध्यान. गाइस एक इंसान है खावला अल रोमैती फ्रॉम यूएई. गाइस शी हैज डन समथिंग रियली कूल. पता है क्या किया उन्होंने पूरा का पूरा वर्ल्ड क्विकेस्ट टाइम में कवर करने का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बना दिया है. गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में उनका नाम है फॉर ट्रैवलिंग ऑल 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स इन 3 days 14 hours 46 minutes. हाउ कूल इज दैट यार. हमने तो लॉकडाउन में यार अपने बेडरूम से किचन से वॉशरूम इसी में 3 दिन निकाल दिए थे यार. चलिए ऑन दैट नोट अपार शक्ति यहाँ से खिसक रहा है. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड.
मनी डजंट मैटर करके एक डायलॉग देखे मैंने.
मनी डजंट मैटर.
जी. और वो साउथ में काफी लोगों ने देखा था.
हाँ.
लेकिन वो वायरल नहीं हुआ था. लेकिन डेफिनेटली मुझे उससे बाकी में जो मैं सीरियस गाने डालता था, जो सीरियस कवर डालता था, उससे तो मुझे डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे ज्यादा ट्रैक्शन मिलता. भूला खुद को ये अब मुस्कुरा के तो तेरे रिदम पे चले हैं. 2-3 चीजें उन्होंने इंटरव्यू में बात करते करते ऐसी बोली ना, जो मैं एक्चुअली अभी म्यूजिक में यूज करता हूँ.